Did you know your car insurance might not cover everything? That's right! Here are 5 surprising situations where your policy could leave you high and dry. Let's see if any of these are news to you. Number 1. Routine wear and tear. Car insurance won't cover that oil change or new tires. Maintenance is all on you, folks. Number 2. Personal belongings. If your laptop or shopping bags get stolen from your car, they're typically not covered. Homeowners or renters insurance might help there, but not your car insurance. Uninsured drivers. If someone without insurance damages your car and you don't have uninsured motorist coverage, you could be paying out of pocket. Number 4. Those fancy custom mods. Added a new spoiler or those cool rims. If they're damaged, regular car insurance won't usually cover customizations unless you have a policy upgrade. And finally, number 5, using your car for business. If you're making deliveries or driving clients around, that might require commercial car insurance. Your standard policy likely won't cover you if something happens on the job. Insurance can be tricky, but Klinger Insurance Group is here to help you find the best coverage for every part of your life. Give us a call at 301-428-4935 to make sure you're fully covered no matter what. Thanks for watching.